Baka patay collar nila. Gucci po, 7 po.
Nag-lag tick ba kayo?
Hindi pa.
Ismo, pusit po check.
Ngayon pa lang magla-lag check.
Kaping ba? Dep pwede ah, dep pwede ah.
Gago, no?
Pwede.
2 healers down.
2 healers
my
down?
God.
What the fuck? Oh my
Marina. Nag-dismount dun sa gate. Sa gate nag-dismount.
Southside ready. From northwest, spread more. Hindi nila kasi yun. Usip po, check ah. Bakit naman namatay? Fucking hell man, dismount, don't save your area please. Bro, that's common sense man. Northwest, don't dismount the enemy. Putang ina, dalawa na ng healer, gago. Tanks nga, kaya ba mag-push tank? Bro, Arcane, don't waste your skill. Wait for the enemy to engage, then you drop your E. Stop wasting fucking skills. That's fake ah. Brawlers ready southeast ah. Brawlers ready southeast. Kill front. Fight nga ako. Careful on the gate please. Careful on the gate. Dep. Don't die. Push. Push now. Big yes. Nice. Come southeast push. Southeast push. Just push and ball. Careful demon. Push and ball. Yo, careful demon.
Ayaw niya mag-push.
Careful demon. Guys, please. Southeast ID. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Big up southeast. Full delete. Push, bro. Don't be scared. Push and brawl. They're fucking white man. Push and brawl. Push brawl. They're healers. Kill their healers, please. Kill their fucking healers. Keep brawl. They're wipe out. Careful. They're gonna engage siya. Push side 35. 4.
Pa-engine pa. Pa-engine.
Come out, Jason man. Comes out. Fucking head. Comes out.
Bail.
Because fucking left. Comes out. Southwest.
Stabilize. We need to stabilize.
Stabilize. Come southwest.
Dami pa lang dito.
We gonna cap. Come on,
Ito, taglet na ba ya?
Pain na ako. Guys, tumak naman kayo. Agad gagon dyan na yung Evo. Putang ina ko, may Evo. Patay yung guards.
Revo ba yun? O paano po?
Please, Captain. Please.
Kill the guards.
Kamers na. Ganyan. Establish nga ito.
Kill the guards.
Tapos northeast lang. Dalawang healer ko daw. Wala ka mo. GG to. Patay. Establish lang. Dodge the bar, please. Dodge the bar.
Dismounted.
Northeast tanks, on lang. Northeast tanks, hold. Just use W, please. See my DPS. Dodge the barrel, for fuck's sake. Please. Tanks hold the DPS. Ready your east, guys, ha? Just establish the guard. Establish the lord. We're fine. Establish the lord. Defend ya. Brawl lang. Isa na di pa. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ease. On me. Big up on me. Full delete. Silence yan. Spread. Dodge the bar. Get his. Captain sila, men. Keep brawl. Spread and brawl.
Hold yan. Matagal yan. Hold yan matagal.
Gonna make up. 10 seconds. Standing now. Inside us. Keep cool. Max. That's it. Patay na. Capping tayo. Big heals. Take the big heals. Nice. Baka mo. Northeast push. Standing in 5 seconds. East. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan na. Patay na to, boy. Huwag niyo abulin. Please lang. Pakapin na ako. Pakapin tayo. Kaping ba? Kaping.
Uy, wag nyo nang habulin.
Click out yung isa mong DPS ah.
Atin yung kasi. Nabulin mo. Pwede na yan. Tayo na.
Atak ba? Hindi, yun yung inaabol nila. Yung healer.
Patay natin. Boys, please. Follow me. You guys are taking the stock.
Ready, open.
Mamaya na. Ma-engage tayo dito. Wala pa to eh. World clock.
Alis yung iba sa chance yung naman yung baka nagrapan ko yun.
Careful. DPS please. Careful.
20 seconds. Okay.
Come south more.
For the points.
10 seconds, yes.
I have 1 healer buff now. Who's this one?
Earthrun northwest na.
Open ko na Egi ah.
Need.
Patayin natin pang establish. West side ready. Establish that gate side up. Establish. One and
Dampot nila gago.
75, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest, big up, northwest. Come back. Guardian armor on me.
Big hill on choke.
Bigil on choke, take the biggest. Burn northeast now. Burn northeast. No fear. Standing. No, come back. Put the reset. Come back. Biggest their defensive. Come back. Reset. We're good. Come southeast. Pull them again.
Big balls.
Yes, push it.
Kailangan talaga labanan na to, boss 6. Baka dumating pa west.
Get the silver bag.
Get caught, please. Keeper on the side, please. Where's the western?
Wala na pala yung silver bag.
Southeast. Southeast side. 5, 4, 3.
Arch, patingin niya sa likod ha.
Go back.
Papaya inside. Papaya engaging.
Left, front, defensive, please, don't
Yeah,
die, man,
finish.
come west, hold them now, west, I need purge, keep going west side, west side push, no, spread here, south, spread south, next engage, we're gonna push up, left ready, left, northwest now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest, big club on me, northwest, go
Caller nila, mamatay na.
papatayin yung caller,
Pamatay ko lang.
keep well them, silence, engage strong,
Western. South northwest.
Come southeast, hold them tanks, come southeast, Ching, come southeast, stabilize southeast,
Ano, may battle mount na.
Nandito sa loob natin yung heavy mace nila, Egi. Nag-invi. Ayun. Yung nasa east pala.
Yaman na,
Papaya.
hold tayo dito, hold kayo. Gago! Tatlo na ng DPS ko, 42.
Naku.
I-secure ko na download ko. Yung gusto mo.
42. Kilot mo kami.
Ayun, wala. May mga kumuha na din.
Ako tol.
Sige lang.
Sino nakakuha na? Nakakuha na yung loot?
Yung
Konti pa lang.
silver bag. Si Arrowan nata. Ay,
Hindi
TK.
kinuha yung silver.
Wala, natatlo na ng DPS ko. Seryoso?
Parang kailangan na natin umalis dito. Wala na tayong dito.
42.
Ano, lulot ko na to kung gusto mo. Kulang na tayo,
Ano ako
Egi.
Kaya mo i-loot?
Party to Astral and Heavy Mace.
Patulong kami guys. Pag-loot lang.
Kinuha yung mga Gucci gears.
Stop mo saglit. West side, huwag niyong pa, sa kanila. West side tax, sir.
Ay, yung western ng tignan nila.
Kamis, tanks, kamis. Hold down.
Ano, may 8.3.
Western sa
Patos.
likod natin.
May DPS pa ba kayo? Parang wala na tayong DPS, nanonood ako ng live eh.
Wait
Ano
lang,
ba?
hindi na kami makalabas nun eh. Wait lang. Northwest ako.
Tangina.
Parang may ipit tayo.
Meditation guard.
Come northwest.
Wala ka. Mag-ano ako,
Binabantayan tayo ni Egyo ba?
Tanks ready, left, nice.
Pwede lumabas ang northwest ha,
Come northwest, follow me. Wala na. Gago, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Come southwest na, come back southwest, come back southwest, come back southwest. Come back southwest, come back southwest, come back southwest.
Pwede ka mag-mount up.
Come back, wait,
Hindi ba?
wait lang. For fuck's sake, come southwest.
Eh, gano'n ko nag-info ko.
Come southwest,
Nasa
come
north.
southwest, come southwest.
Nasa north ang ano, nasa north ang western.
Come southwest, come southwest. Mount up kayo dito.
North.
Mount up. Andun yung western boy. Nasa center